Oh, hey there. I'm just going to work on a shed. This is all. Yeah, don't mind this stuff. Forgot something. Can't cut anything without a saw. And I forgot my hammer. Got my hammer. I think we're ready to get started finally. Yep, about 2 hours later. No big deal, just your typical DIY setup at home for any project. Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by again. Today's video, we're going to be going over the solution to the DIYer's problem. Chances are, all of you professionals out there, you're already using this. You already know this is a solution and you're not on the fence about it. But if you are, this video might help you out. All you DIYers, when you go to start your project, you might have your list. You got a few things written down on it, you're good to go. You go to the store, and when you get back from the store, and let's not kid anyone here, we're still gonna make 5 or 6 trips to the store before this project's done. We're building that shed out there. And what happens is you end up making multiple trips to the garage. And in some cases, you just give up. Don't worry. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret that I learned the hard way. Tool storage. It's what you gotta do. There are multiple tool systems out there. You've got the rigid boxes. In my opinion, they're the best bang for the buck. They just don't have all of the options that I need. There's the TSTAK and VersaStack that's all compatible. You want to know more about this, click on the video that I link in the description below. But this, for me, even though it's a great system, it have a lot of options. It just didn't have the durability that I was looking for. The DEWALT Tough system, at the time of my purchase, they only had the 1.0 out. I wasn't a fan. Had they had the 2.0 out, they might have swayed me. But I don't think so. Which leads us to this, the Milwaukee Packout. Everybody knows what the Milwaukee Packout is. For those of you that don't know what the Milwaukee Packout is, that's probably why you're here. And I'm going to show you exactly why, you DIYers, I think this system is going to help you in so many ways. The system starts off with this nice bottom box. It's got an adjustable handle. And when you test this adjustable handle out versus the competitions for durability, in my opinion, hands down the best. Push this button, slides right down. 2 latches. Bottom box lid stays open. Comes with this nice tray inside of it. I've got a few things in here that you're going to need. Nice thing about the bottom box, you can fit a lot of big stuff. I've got a hammer. I've actually got 2 saws in here. And then I got a hammer drill. Whatever you need to put in here, everybody's different. This is what I found to work the best for me. And for those of you that don't know, you can put two of these in here. You grab one out of a different box. Why do I bring this up for the DIYers? This system is going to save you so much time. You can put your tools, you can set this system up, and you can make it so that you are not making 15 trips that take 2 hours just to start a project. Let's check out our second box. The way I found this best used was to make a divider in here. So on one side, we've got some extra bits, assortment of clamps, just stuff that you're going to need. On the other side, spade bits. You need these for a lot of things. And then I've also got a wide assortment of other drill bits, driver bits that you might need when you're out working. I'm not going back to the house for anything. And for any of you wondering, 13-piece hole saw kit fits in here perfect with all the stuff I have. DIYers, right here's the third piece. This is considered a 3-piece pack out. For those of you who don't know how I utilize this, there's a video on it. I'll put it down in the description and at the end of the video. Why don't you check it out. Now this is where we're really starting to get into the functionality of the pack out system that takes it above and beyond the competition, and why I chose this as a DIY setup, and why I'm telling you this just might be the best DIY setup for you due to the fact that it has so many options. But I will warn you, it is the priciest. I myself only wait to buy these when they go on sale. So what we have here, you've got a half organizer, that's the deep boxes, and then I've got 2 organizers here, half organizers that are the slim ones. Why is this so nice? This box right here normally would house my oscillating tool. However, it's currently being fixed. It's a DEWALT 20 volt and it broke. But as you can see, I've got the sanding sheets in here. The tool goes here. More supplies back here. I got assortment of blades right here. I think it's an amazing setup. The oscillating tool fits in here perfect, and there's room for a 1.5 amp hour battery, so I've always got a battery with it. These half organizers, they're neat. I've got a bunch of small nails here in these. What's neat is the fact that these come out and you can either have one full container or you can put a divider in it. It's unfortunate that Milwaukee doesn't make a divider that goes both ways so that you can have 4 small bins, but there are plenty of guys out there that have found ways to either modify this piece to slide over top so you can do 4, or 3D print these bins. It's pretty neat. Don't worry, because now I'm really starting to get into things that save me a lot of time. This right here, full-size organizer, the deep one. This is my decking container, so to speak, outdoors. I've got all deck screws in here. I've got all my sizes. They're labeled. You get a little extra than just a pound. You can put that in here. I'm not making multiple trips back though for different size deck screws, and as I get more, throw them in these other containers. I like to keep one of these small levels with every container, which is what this nice center spot's for. And I've got this sweet little DEWALT bin here. I keep the driver bits in here for each screw that I'm going to have. That way, if for some odd reason I forget my driver bits or whatever happens, I've always got at least one so that I'm not stuck with screws and no driver bit. I'm telling you, DIYers, this is the way to do it. I got one side. These are all different size drywall screws. The other side, these are all different size construction screws. Once again, I've got another level. It's amazing how much you end up using these levels. I mean, I use it a lot. And there again, I got another one. I got the driver bits in here that I'm going to need for any screw that's in this case. One extremely nice thing, I think, even though this may be a waste of space that the Packout has in some, being able to keep these pieces in here that I have, like the level in this, I find it really nice because I know the rigid organizer and the DEWALT one, they don't have this center piece. My last one, full size, thin organizer. This is more of my masonry and anchor kit. We got some Tapcons. These are stainless steel. I once again, in this case, if you can see, different size driver bits. Everything I need for anything in this case is right in here. In the center, got a pack of these Bosch multi-material bits. If you've never tried these, they are amazing. For a multi-material drill bit, these things work great, and I'm amazed with how good they work in concrete. Multi-material drill bits, I would recommend you pick one of these up. This side over here then, I've got different anchors, and I've got them listed on each side so you know what they are. You gotta hang a picture, anything heavy on the wall. DIYers, I'm telling you, this setup is gonna save you so much time. I'm just letting you know that I highly recommend this system, and it will save you time. And I can almost promise you it will save you less frustrations in the fact that you aren't making 5, 10, 15 trips every time you start a project. And because this may be your first time here, this is what really sets the Packout apart from the rest. And the fact that all you have to do to latch it together, set it on top, push it in, and it's latched. But even nicer, if you look right here, a one finger operation to disengage. One extremely nice feature of the Packout. On top of the fact that it's very durable, it is water resistant and well worth the money if you use your tools a lot and you want to save time. Now, Milwaukee sells a crate. They sell a mounting plate. You hook the mounting plate on the wall. You can attach this right to the mounting plate like that. What's even nicer about this crate, for all of you who haven't seen it yet, the Packouts latch right on top. So now it's like you got a lid for your crate. Doesn't matter what size the container is. You can latch a half deep coat onto any one of these. These two are together. You can latch those right on there. And now just like that, you got a carrying case. So when you put these two together, because you got to take those to the job too, you guessed it, just like that. Just wait, because it gets even better. You can take those, connect them to your Packout system, and just wheel it on out to your job site, whether it be your shed in your backyard, whether it be your buddy's house you're going to help him with, and you're not making those trips you saw me make at the beginning of this video. So to answer the question that I kind of left at the beginning of the video, the reason I think the Packout system is so great for the DIYer, you saw the organization. You just don't get those types of options for your screws with the small boxes, the deep boxes, the half boxes. You don't get those options with the other manufacturers. But on the flip side, like we talked about, this rigid system is just as strong in my opinion. It doesn't latch as nice, but this will get the job done. You just don't have all the options. So when the DIYer looks at this, he may want to go with this because it's cheaper than the Packout. And that's just a decision you're going to have to make on your own. This is another option for you DIYers. There's these organizers from DEWALT. They connect to each other, but obviously it's not going to connect to my Packout system. I made a price-conscious decision that I didn't want to spend the Packout money for the organizer when I could simply use this one, and I can fit my jigsaw, and I got my blades in here, and I actually can put my 4 amp hour battery, my 4 amp hour slim battery right in here. So that way, there again, I've got a battery with my tool. But that's going to have to be for you to decide on just how much you want to spend and how much you want the convenience of the Packout system versus the rest. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video today. I'm sure a lot of you professionals who are using your tools every day already have this system. But any of you DIY guys who didn't, and you might actually buy into it now, let me know in the comments section below. And you professionals, let me know in the comments below what you think of the system, or if you prefer the DEWALT or the rigid system over the Packout. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.